Hi folks, this is Greg at Best Choice Trailers. Today I'm going to take you for a walk around the 7x18, 12,000 pound GVW AMO equipment trailer. Trailer's got about 16 foot of flat deck along with a 2-foot beaver tail. Weighs in about 2,800 pounds. Has about 9,200 pound of legal carrying capacity as well as tongue weight. You got to pick up about 10 to 15% of tongue weight, making your total payload on this unit around the 11,000 pound mark, just under. Up front, we've got a 6-hole coupler, 12K jack. It's got a 6-inch channel, full wrap tongue. Tongue wraps the whole way back to the spring hanger there. 6-inch channel mainframe. It's got some heavy-duty stake pockets made out of structural channel. It's got a 2x8 pressure-treated floor. Does come standard with removable fenders. Some might say, why would I need removable fenders? Well, it's sometimes handy for loading. If you need to take a fender off to load something from the side, you can do it. But then also if you damage a fender, they're easily replaceable. 10-ply 235/80 R16 radial tires are standard. For those that aren't familiar, that would be the same tire assembly that would go on your 14,000 pound trailer. So when you buy a 12, you've got the same tires as what would go on a 14. And actually, most all your other running gear is very similar as well. Your bearings and brakes and axle tubes, very similar on a 6 and 7K axle, which is part of the reason many manufacturers don't build 12K GVW trailers. Okay, at the rear, you've got your beaver tail and you've got your 5-foot stand-up ramps. Got your prop bar, you've got your knee support that protects the back end of the trailer there. Structural channel floor cross members are standard. Sometimes on your cheaper units you're getting fab steel cross members, but this is still structural channel. 12K GVW is ideal. Many times nowadays we get trucks that are GVW in excess of 13 to 14,000 pounds. Put a traditional 14K GVW trailer behind it, throws you into CDL. A trailer like this allows most guys to do what they need to do with most Bobcats, Mini X's and whatnot. Still keeps you out of CDL. That's where these 12K trailers come in handy. Again, as mentioned previous, you're gonna have the same tires as what comes on a 14 and the same size brake assemblies. So again, I think you'll see the 12K GVW trailers making a comeback here in years to come. So again, folks, this is the AMO 7x18, 16+2. Also available in a 14K GVW if you desire. You can get it in a 16-foot length, a little shorter. We also can stock it occasionally in the 7x20 12K GVW if you want to get a full-size tractor with attachment or a full-size truck and whatnot on. Are a handful of features you can get on this unit, but again, as you see it here, is generally how we would carry it. If you have any questions on this trailer or any of our other ones, give us a ring, 717-220-4220, or visit us on the web at bestchoicetrailers.com.